Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Nimble CRM for social lead enrichment, full guide step by step clearly. To install Nimble CRM for social lead enrichment, start by visiting the official Nimble website. Click on the Get Started or Sign Up button to create an account. Fill out the required fields such as your name, email address, and password. Once you've filled out the form, click on the Sign Up or Create Account button. Check your email for a confirmation message from Nimble. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. After verifying your email, return to the Nimble login page. Enter your credentials and log into your account. Upon logging in, you will be directed to the Nimble dashboard. Next, navigate to the Settings section in the left sidebar. In the Settings menu, look for the Social Accounts option. Click on Social Accounts to begin connecting your social media platforms. Select the social networks you want to integrate, like Twitter, LinkedIn, or Facebook. Follow the prompts to authenticate and link each social media account. Once linked, Nimble will start to pull in information from your social profiles. Now, go back to the dashboard and explore the Contacts section. Here, you can view enriched lead profiles with social data. You can also use the search bar to find specific leads or contacts. To further enrich a lead, select a contact and view their detailed profile. Here, you can see updates from their social feeds, photos, and more. Utilize the insights gained from social data to personalize your outreach. Finally, familiarize yourself with additional features in Nimble to enhance your CRM experience. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Nimble CRM and are ready to enrich your leads with social data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.